The code for our duck chick animation has 3 sections: roll, crack, and cheep. To start, we'll place the duck egg at the upper left of the Scratch stage by clicking the Code tab, then click Events, drag the When Click icon to the script workspace, click Motion, attach the Set Y icon to When Clicked, enter 120 in the value oval, attach Set X2 to Set Y2, and enter -120 in the value oval. To make the duck egg roll, change the costume to egg 1, start the egg roll sound, use repeat until to animate the roll costume sequence by waiting 0.02 seconds, change Y by -10, change X by 10, change to the next costume, then check if the costume is egg 3, and if so, switch the costume to egg 1 until the egg touches the rocks sprite. To make the duck egg crack, show the crack 1 costume, wait a bit, show the crack 2 costume, wait a bit, show the crack 3 costume, wait a bit, show the crack 4 costume, and wait a bit more. To make duck chick cheep, start the cheep cheep sound, and then animate the cheep using this code. Your finished duck chick code should look like this. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.